Hello year 5, this is part 1 video of new lesson 5 unit 9. So learners book page number 134 to 135, activity book page number 108 to 109. So and with your copy books. Lesson unit 9 lesson 5 poem Mom won't let me keep a rabbit. This is a poem. Learning objective listening, listen to a poem, listen and match, identify rhyming words, identify alliteration, speaking, discuss a poem, reading, read a poem, writing, complete the sentence. So what poems do you remember from the previous units? Do you remember any poems that you read in the unit 8 about the frog? You remember frog and another one the sloth, and encourage the. Can you tell me some poem about it? These are the vocabulary words: keep, porcupine, water rat, pigeon, snail, kangaroo, wallabies, nails, rattlesnake, mamba, mouse, wombat, iguana, jellyfish, deer, cockroach, bumblebee, earwig, maggot, flea, wild beast, mallard, dabchick, piranha, octopus, waterhawk. These all are the animals and insects names. Now open your book, learner's book, page number 134. Talk about it. Have you ever asked for a pet that you couldn't have? How did you feel? Why didn't you have it? So did you ask anything that you want to keep a pet, but the parent did not agree to keep that one? At that time, how did you feel it? Then why couldn't you have it? For what's the reason why you could not have it? Now let's go to active 2, read and listen. Learner's book page number 134, track 22, CD2. So you need to, if you want to listen, I'm going to read for you. Read and listen to the poem and find the animals from the poems in the pictures. So I'm going to read for you. So please listen to the poem and find me the animals. Okay, you need to write in your copybook. So I'm going to read for you. So listen carefully. Mom, won't let me keep a rabbit. Mom, won't let me keep a rabbit. She won't let me keep a bat. She won't let me keep a porcupine or water rat. I can't keep pigeons. I can't keep snails. I can't keep kangaroos or wallabies with snails. She won't let me keep a rattlesnake or a viper in the house. She won't let me keep a mamba or its meal a mouse. She won't let me keep a wombat, and it isn't very clear why I can't keep iguanas, jellyfish or deer. I can't keep a cockroach or a bumblebee. I can't keep a earwig, a maggot or a flea. I can't keep a wild beast and it's just my luck. I can't keep a mallard and dabchick or a duck. She won't let me keep piranhas, today dots or even frogs. She won't let me keep an octopus or muddy water hawks. So out in the garden I keep a pet and up in the attic you can see upside down it's written the words a secret elephant. Actually it has written. Okay, can tell me what are the names of the animals they have kept in the poem? What are the animals that she specified in the poem? So you need to write in your copybook and check your answers in the next slide. These are the animal names that she has talked about it. And let's go to activity 3 now. What? Learner's book, page number 135. What animal does the poet keep in the attic? Reorder the sentence to find out. At the last, you can see in page number 135, it has written upside down like this. If you turn around and you can see the book, and it's like words also not is jumbled words. Okay, what kind of animal it is? It's a secret elephant. You're right. Okay, check your answer in the next. Now open your activity book, page number 108. Read the poem again and label the pictures with the correct names. So you can see there are so many pictures. You need to label it correctly. I think you can do it by yourself. It's really easy. And check your answers in the next slide. Now activity book again, page number 108. Vocabulary. Find and circle the animal that he can't keep. So circle the animals that he can't keep. There are the words here. I think this is also very easy for you. You can do it. Okay, just circle it, the animals here. They're all animals, they are together. So you need to circle what are the animals are there. And check your answers in the next slide. Now activity 4, a learner's book, page number 136, pronunciation, CD2 track 23. Find the words in the poem which rhyme with these animals, then listen and check. So you need to see which words are rhyming in this? Okay, like bat, rat, water rat. Yes, you're right. Snails, nails. Now I want you to find it by yourself in the 3, 4, 5, and 6 and check your answer in the next slide. Now again, activity book, page number 108, pronunciation. Complete the sentences with a rhyming word from the poem. So you need to complete the sentences word from the poem. You can see there are some sentences here. This one. Okay, you need to complete the sentence with the correct rhyming word. The dash flew over the cat. Cat, bat. You're right. The bat flew over the cat. So this is the right answer. So rest of you do it by yourself and check your answer in the next slide. Now activity file, let's get back to learner's book, page number 136. Put the animals from the poem into groups. Use your dictionary to check the meanings of the words you don't know. So you can open your dictionary and check the answers. You need to put exactly what is mammals. They've specified all the animals, right? Check the animals and what are the mammals, what are insects, what are birds, what is amphibians, reptiles. So you need to put in the correct box, okay? Whatever the mammals, you put in the mammals box. What are the insects, you put in the insects box. What are the birds, you can put in the birds box. What are the amphibians, you can put in the amphibians. And what are the reptiles, you can put reptiles. If you have any confusions, go to the net and check your answers, whether does it match. And once you finish, you need to do in this copybook, you need to draw nicely, neatly at boxes. So you need to write down, okay, and check your answers in the next slide. Now open your activity book, page number 108. Circle the odd one of the each category and add the correct one of your own. So in this, there are some amphibians, some mammals, reptiles, and one is odd one. So you need to circle the odd one and write down your own the correct one. So like mammal, popcorn pine, and is water rat, ant. So ant is the odd one. So you can just write ant. Now next, insects, flea, duck, bumblebee. This all are insect, but duck is not a insect. You'll write duck. So you will circle the duck and you can write another insect of your own, and you can write another mammal of your own here, okay? You can find from the internet, okay? Just write it down and send me the answers. Then activity 6, write learner's book, page number 136. Write 3 sentences about the animals you did like to keep from the poem and 3 about those you wouldn't keep in the poem. Like which animals you like to keep and which animals you wouldn't like to keep. Like I like to keep maybe a duck. Why? So you need to tell me why you like to. Write 3 sentences about the animals you like to keep from the poem and 3 about sentences you don't like to keep. So you need to write 3 sentences you like to keep and 3 sentences you did like to keep. And you just read it in a copybook and send me the picture on the class dojo. Now get back to activity book, page number 109. Reorder the words to make animal alliteration sentences and match to the correct pictures. First you need to correct the sentence, then match to the correct picture. I think you can do by yourself and check your answer in the next slide.